Hello, my project title is about air quality monitoring system. My name is Arun Mohan. I made this project because nowadays pollution is increasing a lot in our state or in our country. So in order to monitor that pollution and take certain measures, we need to know how much pollution is present in that area, or else this project can also be used for our health also. Because due to the pollution, if we go into the overpolluted areas, we get health diseases. So this monitors the pollution and displays it in the LCD. So now I wanted to say how it's made. The equipment required for this project are: the main and foremost thing is MQ135 sensor, which is used to detect the gases percentage in the air present around us. Next, an LCD module, which is used to display the readings and indicate us whether the air is bad, moderate, pure, moderate or bad. And we used Arduino Nano module. We used instead of Arduino Uno, we used Arduino Nano because it's very cheap and also compact size, and a buzzer. So if we come to the working, we need to connect a USB B-type cable to the Arduino Nano. So when we connect the USB B-type cable to the Arduino Nano, the circuit switch on, and we gave some loading time for it because MQ135 sensor works on the heating principle. So in MQ135 there is a heating element and a resistor parallel to it. Whenever the heating element, that means a filament heats, this filament heats, a resistor made up of tin oxide captures the gas and gives some analog voltage to the analog pin of the Arduino Nano. So we need to convert that analog voltage to the digital value, and we need to give that value to we just forwarded that value to the LCD and compare that value with the present real-time values of the pollution. So it's loading, that is 3, 2, 1 and start. So we need to leave it aside for little more time. So we are in an air conditioning room. So due to some carbon monoxide present in the air conditioners, it's showing moderate air. Actually the range we kept for this pure air is 200 to 300. If the value of the MQ135 sensor is in between these two ranges, it shows pure air. So now it's the pure air. So whenever a little smoke or else due to some gases present in the air like carbon monoxide, sulfide, ammonia, nitrogen, it reacts to some of the gases and it conducts more. MQ135 sensor conducts more if it reacts more with the harmful gases present in the air and gives a high analog voltage. So if we induce a smoke element, like now we are using a agarbatti to produce smoke, as it contains ammonia, sulfide gases, etc. So MQ135 sensor senses it and gives a high value. If the value crosses 500, then we get a buzzer indicating that we need to leave that area. So in this way it monitors the air and give us an indication that it's a good, moderate or the bad air. Thank you.